Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove any watermark in your MS Word document. So first let's open our MS Word document, and here you can see that I have added a watermark in this document earlier. So if I want to get rid of this particular watermark, all I can do is simply click on the design tab from the ribbon. Now, once I have successfully clicked the design tab, I can see under the page backgrounds option, there is this watermark button right here. Simply click on the watermark button, and here you can scroll down and you can see this remove watermark option right here. Simply click on this remove watermark button, and here you can see that with just a single click, the watermark has been successfully erased from your Word document. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.